Credit cards can be a valuable tool for managing your finances, but they can also be a source of debt and financial problems if not used responsibly. Here are some important things to know as a beginner to credit cards. What is a credit card? A credit card is a financial tool that allows you to borrow money to make purchases. Instead of paying with cash or a debit card, you use a credit card to pay for goods or services, and you promise to pay the card issuer back at a later time. How do credit cards work? When you use a credit card, you're essentially taking out a loan. The credit card issuer pays for your purchase on your behalf, and you owe them the money back. If you pay your balance in full each month, you won't be charged any interest. But if you don't pay your balance in full, interest will accrue on your unpaid balance, and you'll owe more money. What are the benefits of using a credit card? Credit cards offer several benefits, including convenience, security, and rewards. They're a convenient way to make purchases without carrying cash, and they offer protection against fraud and theft. Many credit cards also offer rewards programs, such as cashback, points, or miles, which can help you earn extra benefits for purchases you're already making. What are the risks of using a credit card? One of the biggest risks of using a credit card is accumulating debt. If you don't pay your balance in full each month, interest will accrue on your unpaid balance, and you could end up owing more than you can afford to pay. Credit cards can also be a source of temptation to overspend and accumulate debt. How can you use a credit card responsibly? To use a credit card responsibly, it's important to only use it for purchases you can afford to pay off in full each month. You should also make sure to pay your bill on time to avoid late fees and penalties. Creating a budget and tracking your spending can also help you stay on top of your credit card usage and avoid overspending. How do you choose the right credit card? When selecting a credit card, it's important to consider factors such as interest rates, fees, rewards programs, and credit limits. You should also think about your own spending habits and financial goals to determine which credit card features are most important to you. You can use online comparison tools and reviews to help you find the best credit card for your needs. How do you apply for a credit card? To apply for a credit card, you'll typically need to provide personal and financial information, such as your name, address, income, and credit score. You can apply for a credit card online, by phone, or in person at a bank or credit union. Once you've been approved, your credit card will be mailed to you, and you can begin using it to make purchases. How do you build credit with a credit card? Using a credit card responsibly can help you build a positive credit history and improve your credit score over time. To build credit with a credit card, it's important to make on-time payments and keep your credit utilization low. You should also avoid applying for multiple credit cards at once and only use your credit card for purchases you can afford to pay off in full each month. What should you do if you can't pay your credit card bill? If you're unable to pay your credit card bill, it's important to contact your card issuer as soon as possible. They may be able to work with you to create a payment plan or offer other assistance. Ignoring your credit card bill can lead to late fees, penalties, and damage to your credit score, so it's important to address the issue proactively. What are some common credit card terms and fees? Credit cards come with a variety of terms and fees, including interest rates, annual fees, late payment fees, balance transfer fees, and cash advance fees. It's important to read your credit card agreement carefully and understand these terms and fees to avoid unexpected charges and penalties. In conclusion, credit cards can be a valuable tool for managing your finances if used responsibly. By understanding how credit cards work and following best practices for responsible credit card usage, you can enjoy the benefits of credit cards while avoiding the risks of debt and financial problems.